Welcome, everyone is UMIDIGI X, and today I'll show you how to put this device into safe mode. And to get started, all you need to do is hold power key. When you see the boot options, from here, hold power off. This will bring up this window right here, so reboot into safe mode. Do you want to reboot into safe mode? This will disable all third-party applications you have installed. They will be restored when you reboot again. Now, this message is a little bit vague in terms of what this mode is used for. So let's tap on OK, and while it's rebooting, I'm going to quickly describe it. So in this mode, you can test if, for instance, your device, assuming hypothetical situation, your battery is draining way too quick, and you don't know if that is some kind of app that is doing this, or if it's just the device battery being broken and just discharging really quickly. So you can boot it up into safe mode, and from there, basically every app that would normally want to start, even in background, will be completely terminated and unallowed to start. And from there, you can see if that problem of battery still persists or not, and thus basically you will have a clear answer if the problem is based on something that you have installed or just the battery itself. And once you can see the device is booted up, it gives you this watermark right here, safe mode, so you are certain that you are right now in the desired mode. And that is basically how you would boot it into safe mode. Now, once you're ready to leave it, all you need to do is hold power key, tap on restart, and this will bring you back to the normal mode. That is how you boot in and out of the safe mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.